Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to log out of DeepSeek AI Assistant on your phone. So, if you already downloaded the DeepSeek AI Assistant, signed in, and you have started using the Chinese AI Assistant right now, and you want to log out for the meantime, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to log out of the DeepSeek AI Assistant on your device, go ahead and open the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. Once open it, click on the menu icon at the top left, then locate and click on your profile icon at the bottom left. Then you'll be taken to your DeepSeek profile page. On the profile page, just scroll down, locate and click on logout. Once you tap logout, you'll see a pod that says confirm logout. Logging out won't delete any data. You can sign back into this account anytime. So go ahead and click on logout. Once you hit the logout button, you should see your DeepSeek AI Assistant account logout, and then you can now close the application. So that's exactly all you need to do to log out of the DeepSeek AI Assistant on your phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.